My video guide will help you to get rid of the online scam that comes from the site Turnon-yourprotect.site. Turnon-yourprotect.site. This is the misleading pop-up that attacks Google Chrome and other browsers. The pop-up actually tries to make you scared about the condition of your computer. It tells that your PC might be vulnerable to viruses and other threats, and it also displays some other misleading and faulty information to make you click on this Stay Protected button. At the first glance, it might look as if the pop-up is related to some decent security program, but it is not related to it. The main purpose of all these pop-ups is to deceive and trick people into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted programs. So if you see these alerts, turn on your protect.site, don't interact with them, and don't install anything that they suggest. We first of all recommend you to carefully research the control panel of your system and uninstall any programs that are suspicious if you find them. Also, you might see these annoying ads attacking your screen periodically. This also needs to be fixed, and for this purpose we recommend that you research the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button. Install the software and then begin carefully researching and investigating the system. So Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete all other threats that could possibly still remain on your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.